And today's video is going to be me demonstrating how to do Bantu knots on straight natural hair. So I got my hair straightened like last week, and so let me show you guys how long it is. So that's how long it is. So don't mind my ratchetness as well because I look crazy, but today I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to Bantu knot my hair. I'm going to first start off with parting my hair. So I'm gonna part it on the side. Once you get your part, just comb it. Just grab a section of hair. I'm gonna do my Bantu knots not too small. Then I'm gonna take this cream. This is like my holy grail. I use it for everything. It's the olive oil smooth and hold pudding. So you just apply it into your hair. I do little by little, so once you're done, just comb it in. You see, it gives it a shine. So once you're done, just twist your hair, and you're just gonna keep twisting it into like a little bun, and you're gonna just keep wrapping it around. So I'm a little closer. So you just twist it around, you hold it. Twist it around your finger, and while you're twisting around your finger, twist it around that little knot on top of your head. And just keep twisting it. And if you need more cream, it tends to dry out, so just apply more and then keep twisting it. And once you're done, hold your end in place. Take a pin, and you're just gonna secure it by pinning it in under, and then just tap it to make sure it's in there. So that's the first one. So I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again right here on the top of my head. I'll just take a little bit, like I really take a really small, like a dab, and then just apply it, and then you just gradually add more if you need it. Then you're just gonna take your brush. I don't know where the hell it's coming from. Okay. Comb it out, and then twist. So I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and come back. That looks so crazy, but this is how it looks. And I'm gonna come tomorrow morning and show you guys how it turned out. I'm gonna show you guys how to take it down, the separation and whatnot. So yeah, this is like the end of the tutorial part of how to do the bantu knots, but I'll be back tomorrow to show you guys the final look. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and as you see, my freaking bantu knots like have flattened the fuck out. It's flattened out, but it's okay. That's not gonna affect our results or whatever. I'm just gonna start off, I don't know, should I start with the back? Yeah, I'm gonna start with the back. Take out the bobby pins. My hair feels ridiculously soft. You can take them, actually you can take them all out. Might as well. And if they fall, it's fine. I mean, a little, some of them have like loosened up a little bit, but haven't unraveled. This one's about to unravel. I'm gonna start with the ones in the back. So you just twist it like a Coke bottle, then you can just like pull it down a little bit and twirl it the opposite way that you twisted it. And look, yes, bitch. And then you're just gonna separate them. Just lightly separate, don't overdo it. And just lift your roots up a little bit because they're kind of like squished. So just unravel. Make sure you fluff because they're kind of like flattened out. You see how much I had to fluff out to get this look? So just fluff. And that's the first one. Then we'll go to the second one in the back here. And just unravel. And then twist the opposite way that you twisted it. And you probably like, which way did I untwist it? Just like twist it to see if it's tight. If it tightens up, that means you're doing it the wrong way. If it's loosening up, just keep twisting it that way that it's loosened. So this one is way more loose than the other side. So just make sure you like get into the roots and pick it out like lightly. You don't want to ruin the curls or disturb it, so just lightly finger pick it. So you guys can see like the difference. One side is like way more fluffier, and then just go in the back and just like massage it in, like massage, like just pick it, like fluff out the roots a little bit, like lift them up. Make sure no middle part is seen. Then I have the last one right here. So this one has a bobby pin. Pull out. And just keep fluffing if you need to. And you can do your edges, which I'm about to go do right now. So I'm gonna get my edges stuff to do my edges. I don't know if I like it tucked in. Grab your favorite edge control and just